Welcome to this explainer. Let's figure out right now, is your relationship actually broken or just totally exhausted? Generic advice usually fails because we completely misdiagnose the problem. We literally skip right over this crucial question. Here's the difference. Broken means the actual foundation fractured, but depleted, that just means you're out of fuel. See, depletion feels like flat numbness. Breakage, though, that triggers hypervigilance. You're constantly scanning for threats. To fix either issue, we use the connection first protocol. These four steps, absolutely non negotiable. Trying to problem solve when your nervous system feels threatened, it's literally like doing algebra during a fire alarm. Look closely at step two. You have to emotionally reconnect before your brain can even access solutions. Now, meet the sovereign us. Think of your relationship as a living, breathing third entity requiring joint care. It's like this: if you destroy your partner to win a fight, you destroy the chair you both need. It's basically a multi signature crypto wallet, right? It absolutely requires both partners' keys to unlock the true value. So be honest. Are you a gladiator fighting to win or an architect designing systems to prevent battles? Gladiators are exhausting. Architects build environments where you both thrive without constantly competing for resources or respect. Apologies aren't enough anymore. We have to shift from cheap fiat love to undeniable proof of work. Your partner's nervous system craves consistent behavioral evidence. We're talking radical transparency and actually initiating those hard conversations. So stop promising change. Start building a verifiable track record. The proof is always in the pattern. Got kids? Model witness repair for them. Show them exactly how to navigate hurt and find resolution together. No, for a really hard truth, knowing when a relationship is workable versus when to just let go. If willingness vanishes or toxic contempt fully replaces conflict, structural repair might actually be impossible. But hey, divorce doesn't end the sovereign us, especially with kids. You're restructuring that bond, not destroying it. So take a step back and ask yourself, is your us truly worth fighting for or just comfortably broke? If you want to work on this for real, try Figlet, my AI relationship coaching app. You can start for free, no credit card needed, at figlet.empathy.com.